Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
तो इस वीडियो के लिए 1 लाइक तो बनता है। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप अपने भाई का नाम जान लो। मैं हूं EHSAN राही, आप देख रहे हैं टेक वाला फ्रेंड। तो शुरू करते हैं बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए।
First, update your WhatsApp. Download Background Eraser app to remove image background to make it easy sticker look. Also download Personal Sticker for WhatsApp apps. This app allow you to merge sticker with WhatsApp. Follow step by step. If any doubt, please comment. Open this sticker apps and or can also download sticker GIF file from internet. You can also make your own. Open any suitable background eraser or remover app to make GIF file sticker. Search your image which you want to use as a sticker. You have to make minimum 3 sticker to apply it on WhatsApp. I think you know how to use background remover, right? If you don't know, just play with it, then you will learn. Now click on Add and then select your WhatsApp. Here showing to WhatsApp because I have WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business too. Now open your WhatsApp and then click on emoticon menu, and then bottom you will get this new sticker option beside emoticon and GIF menu logo.